Hi friends, welcome to VidaPurpose. Today we're going to be making amazing hummus from scratch. Keep watching for the full recipe. What's up? I'm Miranda. If you don't know me, I'm a professional dancer, nutrition coach, and today we're going to be making a hummus from scratch. It's so delicious and it's a great add-on to your meals. So hummus is packed with plant-based proteins as it has ingredients that help fight inflammation and it feeds the good bacteria in your gut. So it's a win-win add-on to your meals and it's so delicious. Keep watching for the full recipe and enjoy. Welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be using 200 grams of chickpeas that I've already boiled and peeled the night before. Add around 1 glass cup of water to your blender. Mix your tahini up before adding it into the blender. And add around 2 to 3 tablespoons. A pinch of salt, the juice of half a lemon, making sure it doesn't go everywhere, from the freezer grab 1 ice cube, and that's going to help with the smoothness of our hummus. Blend until all the ingredients are nicely combined. Make sure to try it so you make it as delicious as you'd want it. Store in an airtight container so it will last you around 2 to 3 weeks. Also, by not adding garlic into this recipe, it will last you longer and you can always add the garlic as a topping, which is delicious. The hummus might seem a little bit liquid right now, but it will solidify after a couple hours in the fridge. This is gold. Make sure to clean up your blender nicely. So this is our final product and my goodness, how delicious that looks. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed the process. As you've seen, it's not too hard to make and you can store it in the fridge for just a couple weeks. And it also saves you a little bit of money and it's also a great thing to just know how to make. Like, comment and subscribe, do all of those great things for me to keep posting some great videos for you with tips and recipes. Keep tuned for more. Enjoy!